Hello everyone. Today I thought I would make a simple dry face pack which you can make and keep and use it for a few months. It has again got no preservatives, and again it's a DIY project which you can easily make at home. It is really fun to make this and then use it. So let us start straight away. I have got Multani Mitti here, which is I think also called Fuller's Earth. This makes your pack very smooth, and we use it as a base for the pack. I have taken 3 spoons of Multani Mitti. Everyone knows its benefits. It's very soothing and nice for the skin. Now the second thing which I have taken is called Kali Mitti. It is available in Ayurvedic shops, and this Kali Mitti is especially very good if you have too much of an oily skin, and it sucks away the oil. So this I am going to add about half spoon, and it is very cooling also for the skin. Third is a pinch of baking soda, again takes away the oil of the skin. Does not take away the oil, but it sort of takes out the extra oil which might cause pimples. We have sandalwood powder here. Again, that is very good and cooling for the skin. So we are taking about half spoon of pure sandalwood powder. And again, my favorite Kasturi turmeric, which I have from directly from Kerala. So this is about a good amount of half spoon. Now I decided to make this into a calamine pack, because calamine is very smooth, very soothing for the skin. So the calamine powder I have over here, and I'm going to add just little bit of it, maybe less than 1/4 spoon of calamine. Now one optional ingredient here is some besan or gram flour. Gram flour is very good for the skin, making it very smooth and shiny and silky. And it can be added over here, but I have heard that it does not suit everyone, so you can skip out the besan or the gram flour if you don't want to add it. Sometimes it is giving a very bad skin problems or pimples to some people. So in that case, then don't use the gram flour. If you want to try, you can add some moong dal flour instead. Okay. After this, just give it a good stir. Now basically, although I have added the baking powder which takes away the oil, and the black mitti, kali mitti, which takes away the oil, I have balancing ingredients here. It's a very old recipe of mine, like since years and years I have been using this at home. So it suits many people whom I have given also. It has suiting everyone, so no problem. All types of skin can use this. Okay. Another next thing to add here is some chamomile essential oil. Since it's a chamomile face pack, just a few drops. Again, double benefit of turmeric, so some turmeric essential oil again, but it should not become soggy, so very carefully add the liquids when you add them. And some lemon oil. This will give a nice aroma to this pack. So this is it. The pack is done, and it smells very nice. Very nice it smells. Now what I said earlier was that this particular pack is useful for all skin types. So when you want to use, I'll tell you how. For normal skin, you have to take 2 teaspoons of this pack just for the face if you are using. You can use 2 teaspoons and mix it with curds or milk. When you mix it with curds and milk, you can use it for normal skin. Then if you are using it for very oily skin, use it with rose water. So that will balance the ingredients that we have added over here. You don't need to make some special face packs for special skins or problem skins or different types of skin types. So one pack can be used and it is suitable for all the skins. I'll just do a little bit of mixing and show you. So I will take 2 spoons of this face pack here. And I have some milk here, cow milk, which I'll add. And just stir it. Make it into a pack. A nice paste. Use a brush or use your finger and just apply it on your skin. Leave it for about 20 minutes and wash it off with normal tap water. And after you wash off with tap water, just pat your skin dry. Do not rub it, or rubbing may irritate the skin. It will be good if you don't use a soap for the full day or next 24 hours. It will give the maximum benefit. Now this pack is tried and tested by many people, all my friends and relatives and myself of course, and it gives a beautiful glowy skin, smooth, shiny, silky and glowy skin after use. So you can definitely try it out, and in case you try it out, please mention it in the comments. I would love to read and know whether you made it or no and how it worked out for you. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm planning some other video. Also let me know if you would specially like to learn anything or any other formula or recipe which you want me to put up. I will do so. Thanks a lot.